This is the assembly video for the American style WED1230 wall end diagonal cabinet. The cabinet body and hardware are in the U-box, and the frame and door are in the other box. Start with the U-box. These are the two back panels, top and bottom panel, and the hardware box. Now, grab the frame from your other box and place it face down on a smooth cloth. Screw the cam lock screws into the frame. Now take one side panel and slide it into place onto the cam lock screws as such. Now place the cam locks to the side panel and lock the screws. Place dowels into the top and bottom panel and install. Install the other back panel onto the frame. Tighten the cam lock screws and screw the back panels to the bottom panels on each side. Now, install the hinges to the door via the pre-drilled holes. Take your door and ensure the door is flush with the frame on the bottom and install the hinges to the cabinet frame. Ensure the lip of the hinge rests perfectly on the edge of the frame. Place bumpers on each outside corner of the door to soften the impact of the door. Install the shelf pins at your desired height of your shelves via the pre-drilled holes. Now simply place the glass shelves onto the pins. And here we have one American style WED1230 wall end diagonal cabinet ready for installation.